We talk about the hardness. Okay, so what kind of the hardness? What is the hardness? Hardness means the resistance of the material to localize plastic deformation, such as the indentation, scratching, or abrasion. As I have already made you know in the previous class, this I mean if the material that has the nature to resist your scratching, okay, on the surface, that is known as hardness. Okay, so they are the three things: Brinell, Rockwell, or Vickers hardness. These are the three testing machine methods through which we know which material has how much the value of hardness. Okay, so diamond, if you can keep in mind that diamond is extremely hard and used for the cutting materials. So diamond is a very extremely hard material. It means if you scratch over there, it will not respond. It will not get scratched. It means they have the higher value of hardness. So three methods are there. The Brinell hardness test. So how you can do? A hard steel or tungsten carbide ball is placed into the material. Okay, so that will define your the value. And the BHN means the Brinell hardness test. This is a unit of that hardness as well. Okay, so there are three kind of the things. First one is the Brinell hardness, then Rockwell hardness test, and Vickers hardness test. Okay, so this is how you apply the load and the specifying the surface area of the indentation. Indentation means how much they have scratched, how much they have, the ball that you have. If you press the ball, how much length they have crossed and they have inserted inside the material. That is known as your surface area indented. Okay, so that the obvious the indentation will come out when you apply the load. Okay, so load upon the surface area of indentation, that is known as your this particular ratio of is known as the BHN. BHN means the Brinell hardness test, and this is also as a unit of hardness as well. We talk about the Rockwell hardness test. Uses the steel ball or cone shape diamond as the indentant. I mean, whatever the kind of the material that you are using to indent the material, okay, to test how they are responding to this, not to get stretched. This is known as your hardness test. So direct reading of hardness on the scale is given. Okay. In this case, what kind of the ball that you have used the ball or the cone shaped diamond as the indenter. So in this case, you would take the diamond, but in case of the Brinell hardness, you take the hard steel or tungsten carbide ball. Okay. So in Vickers, if you talk about the Vickers hardness test, then diamond shaped indented is used, suitable for very small or thin material. So this is not very common, which is used for very thin material.